Hey, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get more use out of your trackpad with special gestures. So, you probably already know that you can use 2 fingers on your trackpad to scroll the web page up and down, and also that you can use it in a pinching motion to zoom in and out. Did you know, however, that those same 2 fingers can simply tap the trackpad to simulate a right click? Now let's find out what you can do with 3 fingers. Swipe up with 3 fingers to show all of your open apps in task view. Swipe down to reverse it. Swipe down when not in task view to minimize all of your open apps. Then you want to go to something. Swipe to the side with 3 fingers to switch between apps as if you're using the Alt-Tab shortcut. Use 4 fingers, tap the trackpad to open the Windows Action Center where your notifications live.